That's when I tell the brothers and sisters all the time, I don't feel it, ya Sheikh. I pray I don't have it, man. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't feel it, Sheikh. I don't have that khushu'. I don't have the beauty of the iman in my heart. I don't have the taste. How do you do it, man? There's no RX for this. You don't go to a doctor and says, dude, or maybe there's one. The list is long. You can do something like, first of all, ghudd al-basar. Lower your gaze. When you read the Qur'an, Allah is talking to you. Do you follow the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Where your feet take you, your senses, what did they do? Did they obey Allah or disobey Allah? Because among the righteous, they used to say, Wallahi, ma khatawtu khatwa. By Allah, I have never taken a step, except I ask myself, is this step for the sake of Allah, to obey Him or disobey Him? If this step was going to obey Allah, I take it. If this step was to take it to disobey Allah, I don't take it. What's your measure of stick? Is it halal or haram? Or what will people say? Is your urf, is your tradition stronger than your religion? Is the creation stronger than the creator? Well, you have to have measure and stick, ya Sheikh, in order for you to taste it. Because al-iman yazid wa yanqus. Your iman increases and decreases. And the scholars say there are 3 levels, by the way. 3 levels. And I'll give you the proof in the Quran, inshallah. First, iman yazid wa yanqus. Iman la yazid wa la yanqus. Iman yazid wa la yanqus. There are 3 levels of iman. One that goes up and down, increases and decreases. That's us, poor us. Yazid bil ta'at wa yanqus bil ma'asi. It increases when you do righteous deeds. You'll feel it, and that's why your iman is strong in Ramadan. Simple. But when you start doing disobedience, what happens? The battery goes down, man. You see this guy? When you look at how many bars you have? Yeah, that the link to Allah is weak. The bars are going down and the battery is depleted. How are you gonna have this conversation with Allah when you pray? How do you receive any iman? How do you know that when you go to Mecca, is this your radar? That's the satellite. You get your signal of iman when you actually go toward Mecca. As if Mecca is your satellite. And everybody else goes towards with the heart to get the signal of iman, to increase it again. Recharge. And that's what that does. That's when you recharge. So iman yazid wa yanqus, us, up and down. Iman doesn't go up or down. That's the angels. Jubilu ala ta'a. They're created to obey. They don't obey. Period. No choice. Iman yazid wa la yanqus, prophets and messengers. It goes up, it doesn't go down. So now you know when you taste it or not.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.